All right, so we're getting to the end, and in every edition of the workshop, we receive lately many applications. Something I didn't say, like the number of applications doubles, of submitted papers doubles every 2 years. So this year we had like 61, and out of those we selected after the review 26%. And out of those 26, there is a committee that selects the 2 remarkable ones. Okay, so we are getting to this part of the paper awards. And first of all, we need to thank all the reviewers, because we do this in a very short time, typically 10 days, 2 weeks. We try to push as much as possible the deadline back, so that people who has ideas, they can submit it and hopefully get feedback as soon as possible before the deadline is ultimately determined by the IEEE, that we have to provide the camera-ready versions by mid-April. So thank you all, the reviewers, for making it possible. I mean, we wouldn't be able to do it, and every time that more and more submissions are coming, we need more from you. So thank you very much. And yeah, just to say that the paper award was put together by Cornelia, Riyad, Mike and Gary, who couldn't attend. They are not here, and the sponsor of the award is Science of Intelligence, which is the cluster of excellence in Berlin, that I'm part of it. And we have this disclaimer that none of the jury members have an affiliation with the award sponsor. And without further ado, I will pass on the torch to Cornelia.
All right. So our runner-up is for event IMU fusion strategies for faster than IMU estimation throughput. And the winners are William Chamorro, Juan Solar, Juan Andredo Cheto. And this paper was for novel fusion schemes integrating IMU with event data in a very fast post-estimation algorithm. What they did, they combined event line-based data association with IMU correction in a Lee-Kalman filter, and a tracking method that is really much faster than state-of-the-art is achieved and was demonstrated for the PTAM SLAM pipeline.
I think William was here before. He was presenting the paper. Okay, maybe he left.
We didn't tell him. Okay. Well, I guess he will receive that paper in the email or by email. Well, now the winner, asynchronous event-based panoptic segmentation using graph mixer neural networks and a collaboration between multiple universities. Sanket Kajole, Yusra Alkendi, Faribor Spagai Naeni, Dimitrios Makris, and Yahia Tzveri. And this was for a novel graph neural network-based segmentation algorithm in a robotic setting. Through novel architecture adaptation, this work achieved higher accuracy than state-of-the-art event-based segmentation algorithms, while using significantly fewer network parameters.
And then Sanket couldn't attend online because he didn't get the visa on time. But I saw him online before.